somebody I drive again right now. Now Johnson again. That is it. Tell him if you buy I drink clipper. Be creep now, man. Alright. Outside, outside. Yo. And a madman there. That is it. Bad truck, yeah. Yo, sir! That's him. Nah, job on today. They tried 1.8, I think he said. Yeah, 1.8. And 1.7. One truck stop make a million truck stop, you see me? JJ. There. Machine them out. Get C13. Yeah man. One load and one empty. Loaded grit and empty. Tip trail neat though. That is it. You're a cat, man. One more again. Eh. Engine brake turn off. Oh, hear them, man.